Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today I'd like to share some ideas on how you can use your CRM to engage with your customers and make them a long-term customer. So how do you do this? Let's start off with what a CRM is. Customer Relationship Management. It's more than just a software system. It's also a behavior, a lifestyle, if you will, on how you engage with your customers. So you should, if you haven't already, have some kind of CRM system that tracks data inside your point of sale system. Does it track email addresses? Does it track people who visit you from other websites? Does it track people who've made purchases? If you don't have something like this engaged right now with your business, it is worth exploring. There's a variety of different CRM systems out there, and they range anything from free to several $1,000s a month. My personal favorite to get started, no endorsement, this is just my favorite, is HubSpot. There is a free version just so you can get your feet wet, so you can see how to track customer behaviors. And as your business grows, there's different add-ons that you can subscribe to that will help you engage with your customers. What your CRM can do is help you to identify potential leads. For example, you can see how many people have downloaded a particular white paper or maybe something on your website. How to save $1,000 on your next Disney vacation. And then maybe you've got another item on your website on, best hotel rooms you can find for under $100 a night on your next Disney vacation. You can start to see some commonality here that people are downloading things for a Disney vacation. So perhaps you can create an offer of something you'd like to sell, the most comfortable sandals to wear on your next Disney vacation, and you can market that to people who've given you their email address as part of that opportunity to download something. It also gives you the chance to have one-to-one communication. Jason, I saw you downloaded my white paper on how to lose 100 pounds eating Krispy Kreme donuts. I've been a big fan of this process. Let me share my journey with you, and then maybe a YouTube video that you have video and you can engage with people in that way. Video drives more engagement than just words. And you can track behaviors. Okay, I know tracking is a little bit creepy, but work with me here for a second. As marketers, we love data. And if you can see how many people are paying attention to a certain offer or watching a video or scanning your QR code or downloading your thing, you can say, this is something that has legs. People are into this. I should do more of it. Like the Disney example I just used. Or you can say, people probably aren't into learning a whole lot about kayaking in the dead of January. Maybe that's something I should start exploring in March, April, and May. But it also gives you the opportunity to sell. Like I mentioned a few moments ago, if we were to put something online that says the best sandals for your Disney vacation, because we've seen a lot of people downloading our Disney this and Disney that, it's an opportunity for you to sell your thing. And also, before you even sell, to nurture that relationship. A lot of people make the mistake of saying, hi, you've never heard of me. Here's my thing. Buy this. Don't do that. Instead, nurture me along. It's like a date. Take me out a couple of times before you ask me to marry you. Give me that white paper. Give me that downloadable on how to save money. Give me those free tips. And then drip in the, hey, I've got a particular offer here. These are some sandals you can wear in Las Vegas that prevent you from getting sunburned, and you're comfortable for a 13-mile walk. Wow, that's interesting. And maybe I don't buy it, but I interact with that particular message. Maybe I can send another message that says, hey, I saw that you looked at the thing. Well, here's a slight discount, or here's more value. I'm not a big fan of discounts. But again, all these items with your CRM, you have built in to your system at the office. So use all this data that you have, not just to send emails, while that is valuable, but use it for other opportunities to engage with me, the customer, so that when the time is right, I'm ready to pull out my wallet and give you my cash. Hey, if you like short lessons like this, do me a favor. Hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if there's something you'd like me to cover. You can also find me at all the social places online, my website, themarketingprofessor.net, and now our new free community on Discord where we talk about small business marketing, we share marketing tips, and I've got an abundance of free resources that I've collected over the years that you can just click, download, and take with you, my gift to you. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.